Hello, my dear children. Once again, I welcome back everyone to our SST class. So, children, we have completed our lesson 3. That is our evolution of transport. Okay? So, children, again I will just revise it for your better understanding so that you can remember it easily. So, in this lesson, first we have understood what is our transport. Okay, I told that transport is the movement of goods or people from one place to another place. We are going also from one place to another place. This is our transport. Okay, now we will understand what is the invention of wheel. So, children, as I have told that the early humans might have noticed round stones or logs of wood rolling down the hills and mountains. Okay, from there they would have got the idea of wheel. Then they used sharp stones to cut wood in a round shape so as to make wheels. Like that, they have learned the use of wheels. Nowadays, the wheels are used in various vehicles. Without wheel, our life will become so much complicated. Okay? For that reason, the invention of wheel marked the beginning of the transport system. Then we have learnt about our trade and voyages. Okay? At first, humans' transport was spread over limited areas. They learned to travel distant places. They traveled on land as well as they are using the sea route also to reach different places. Okay, children, from there, trade developed. Trade means buying and selling activities undertaken to income some money. And what is our voyage? Voyage refers to a long journey, especially by ship. Okay? And different people develop different countries, different cities by traveling through voyages. Then we have learnt about our modern means of transport. Okay, there I have told that James Watt, who is a British scientist, invented a steam engine. Okay, this was initially used in textile industry and then it was used in our railways. And the invention of steam engine is considered as the second most important invention. Okay, then we have learnt about the means of land transport. This is very easy, all of you know. The vehicles which travelled on land, they are known as our land transport vehicles. Okay, and in our railway lines also trains are moving. So both roadways and railways are means of land transports. The various vehicles that move on roads in cities are bicycle, motorbikes, your truck, car, scooter. Okay, these all of you have understood. For short distances, we are using our bicycle, scooter, etc. Okay, for going bit larger distance, we are using our car, then bus. These things we are using to move in cities. Then we have learnt about our train transport. Okay, trains are the most popular means of public transport in India. Trains run on the tracks and stop at the stations. Trains also carry goods as well as people. Okay, children, we all of you have traveled on trains. Then we have learnt about our water transport. Okay, ships, boats, steamers, these all are most common means of water transport. In past, only people were using simple boats, but nowadays technology so much advanced. Therefore, we are using so many ships, steamers, etc. in sewer and our sea. Boats are used for short distances where ships cover long distances. Okay. Then we have learnt about our air transport. We all of you know that air transport is the fastest and the most expensive means of transport. Our aeroplanes, helicopters are the means of air transports. Helicopters are used for short distances, whereas our aeroplanes are used for long distances. Okay, children, all the important cities in India are connected by our air transport. It also connects India with different countries of the world. And who was invented our aeroplane? Very good, our Wright brothers. Okay, Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright were invented our aeroplane. So children, we have understood this lesson. Here we have learned how wheel developed, then our trade voyages, then our modern means of transport. They are land transport, water transport and air transport. Okay children? In your glossary part some word meanings are also given. Okay? Please read that one also. Next video, I will discuss our question answer part. Hope all of you have understood. Stay at your home and read properly. Thank you children.